sign of that we're still a serious country. So the taping and filling's been done here. You can see this wall still needs plasterboard on it. It's just getting 18mm ply over the top of it because there's an IKEA racking system thing going here for clothes. But this will get a sand and a paint. But in the meantime, I'm going to start the door here. The door that was originally here is getting reused. So I need to change the hinges round. They're all flush hinges, which, although I don't love them on this occasion, it saves a wee bit of time. So change the hinges round, turn the latch round, and then fit the frame, hang the door, facings, skirting, usual script. It's pretty wet today, unfortunately, so I want to set up outside the door, but at least I can set up in the bothy in the dry. But just a wee bit longer back and forward. So let's get after it. So I've stripped all the ironmongery off this door. The handles, hook, the old hinges, and put some newer ones on, make it look a bit fresher. Now I'm going to give it a rough sand just to get all the splodges off and the dirt, and a slightly finer sand so it's ready for paint with the rest of the room. Right, so that's me giving that a sand down. It's not like a full door renovation. I'm not taking it back to the bone and filling it and all that. That's not really in the budget. Just a wee spruce up. So I've just taken the shine off the gloss that was on it, so we can get some new paint stick to it. So now I'm going to stick the hinges. Hinges on. Now start cutting the frame. Top piece of my frame marked out. So now I'm going to take a wee 10mm rebate into this just to house the legs in. So last thing to do with this frame is just rip it to size, rip it to the width of the door build up, which is about 130mm. Right, that's that side plumb and screwed up. Now I'm gonna have a cup of tea and then I'm gonna hang the door, and I'll just make this look good because the door is old, so it won't be perfectly straight. I'm sure I'll have to do a wee bit of wedging to just follow the margin, keep the margin good on the door itself. So next I'm going to get the latch and the handle back on, check out for that, and then get these door facings and checks and all that on, and then these bits of skirting.
Because that can create a problem for them, but it can also create a problem for us, and it can create a problem to the local journalists that help us. They're going to be the first up.
They'd be on your side if they had plans.
Facings on this side done. I'm just going to go around and do this one. This is taking twice as long as it should have. I've got tools are scattered everywhere because I was away at the weekend, emptied the van out. Tools in various sheds. Can't find my wee square anywhere. But we're nearly there on the door. And then it's just the skirtings. Then I can get a good sort out the tools. Morning, we are back to attack skirting this morning. So first thing I'm going to do is have a wee tidy up because the place got a bit of a boorach yesterday. Now it's a bit drier today, so I can hopefully that'll make life easier for running up and down and in and out and putting stuff down.
I short of times though. I was worried about that at the start, but I find it fine, like it's alright. I was playing against small players and fine.
Right, that's this room done, skirtings. Nice and simple. So this room's done apart from this plywood on this wall. And then it's just a coat of paint, well, a few coats of paint. Which I'm going to do after I've done the skirting in the hallway here.
You're talking about Ange, like, did you watch Forest Chelsea? Forest? Mine's changed, so I'm going to...
Right guys, getting hungry, it's home time. Sheet of that, so that's all done. We'll wait for this IKEA system details and see how that fixes and if it needs 18mm ply screwed to the wall or not. But next step here really is just the skirting on these steps. A temporary kind of facings around this door till that new door comes. And then we can start sanding off, filling nail holes, etc. All the usual things and get this area complete. Roof sheets have arrived up in the yard, so we can start working on the outside next. But nice to get to this stage in this wee job.